All right. So now we're one step closer to implementing the flyweight pattern in a way that allows us from this level to um, get things based off of the ID. To make that even easier, let's go into our hive mind. Room content. That's a good place for it. So room content space, we're going to say, hey, you've got a list of things, just like an Arcata, public, iGame object, get game object, GUID, GUID. So we aren't going to change this to a dictionary quite yet. I think we'll save that for tomorrow since we're out of time. But we will use game objects using link first, x dot game object key equals GUID. Return. All right. So that's the beginnings of us incorporating a flyweight pattern that's closer to what we saw in Arcata. But we also want to show that there's definitely places inside of our system we're already taking advantage of the flyweight pattern, which is what makes it kind of a more advanced pattern, because you don't have that crutch, right? That wall to lean against. With the factory pattern, with strategy patterns, they're a little more by the book. You can follow the instructions, you can implement them. There isn't a whole lot of wiggle room. There is, but like at the basic level, there isn't a whole lot. With some of these more advanced ones, like the state and the flyweight, you've got a lot more flexibility in how they go in, where they go in, and you can start to see it takes more of a trained eye to say, okay, I see a dictionary, I see an ID, I see a get object. This smells like a flyweight pattern. But unlike player factory and such, I'm not calling it room flyweight, right? So it's not quite as on the nose. So when we come back tomorrow for another hour, we're going to work to start to clean some of this stuff up so that we can start finding people by their GUIDs and ensuring they have one. And we might actually also do a quick command parser, super quick and dirty, so that we can get rid of like some of this stuff. But that'll be tomorrow. And we keep advancing this game in a really nice direction. I'm actually surprised myself how clean things are coming together, but that's supposed to be the benefit, right? You're supposed to be able to take an idea, well-formed or not, and as you're brainstorming or prototyping or whatever, as long as you're adhering to the design patterns, they're going to offer you the good foundation you need to keep growing and expanding. So if you've been watching this kind of fly-by-night last 6 weeks, haven't really had a plan for much, just kind of gone in and seen where the hour takes us. And so far, the patterns have kept us safe. All right, so same time tomorrow, and we'll keep working on getting this section of the game, this forward-facing section, to a place where we can start playing. And having playing the game be the way that we start discovering bugs and figuring out where we want to expand next. So that's really going to be the goal of this week, and then finalize it on Refactor Saturday to say, okay, did we meet our goal? Do we have a game we can play? Thanks everybody for hanging out, and I'm going to shut down, but I'll let Twitch catch up with me so you can kind of see me doing random hand gestures. Check the link below. I've been adding all the videos to YouTube for you, and there's also the GitHub link, so you can follow along with the code there as well. Robstuck says thanks. Thanks to you, Robstuck. And again, yeah, thanks everybody for hanging out. All right, codes out there, and I will see you all tomorrow. I think I need some play out music at some point.